So I'm back on the campsite. This time it's the Kersengaard in Zuidland, Southland. It's still in South Holland, but it's really south, near to Brabant. And this tent is from VidaXL. It was not that expensive, 35 euros. It has 2 layers, although one layer... What was that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Okay. It has 1 layer and then one huge rain fly. You will see within a minute. So there I can hang up a night light. Yes, night light. Over there, one pocket. This is the door. This is a window. This is a ventilation thingy. I don't know how to call it in English. Over there I can to attach your electricity. So this air bed is from AliExpress and an extra pillow, not totally inflated as you can see. I also have a sleeping bag, of course, but it's so hot I cannot be bothered. Almost 25 degrees. I don't think I'm gonna need it tonight. I brought along a summer sleeping bag, so yeah. And this is an isolation mat, also to protect my air bed. For sharp edges, of course. That's the summer sleeping bag. That is not so easy. See that? Okay. This is the total tent. Quite nice, right?